Good morning. It is a beautiful day here in North Carolina, and it is a cold and crisp fall morning here. I'm kind of stepping away from the bird photography a little bit, and I'm going to try something a little bit different. As you know, part of this channel's goal is to push me out of my comfort zone, and today I'm going to walk along this brook that's right behind me and see if I can photograph any interesting photos of the leaves in the water. Now, most of this is going to be like artsy-fartsy kind of stuff. This is not really commercially sellable images, but this is something that I kind of play with every year this time of year. So I'm asking you to come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, to tell you the truth, I found this area here. I think it's going to be interesting. And the reason why I'm drawn to this image here is that there's one leaf. Most of the leaves here on the water are either brown or they're kind of black and brown at the bottom. But there's one leaf in this bunch here that's green. And I think that's going to be the subject of my image here. And what I want to do is kind of have that image as the main focal point. But I want the viewer to be drawn into the image here. So as they're looking at the image here, they see that green leaf, and that's the main subject. But they also start seeing the other leaves. And then they get drawn into the image here and see the leaves sunk at the bottom. So that's kind of what I'm thinking the image is going to be. So if this image is any good, here it is. Well, I just found the image that I was really thinking about when I came down here. And what it is that there's water flowing around, coming off the brook here. There's a rock in the brook and the water makes a back eddy, and there's a bunch of leaves floating on that back eddy. And what I want to do is get a picture of the leaves, but I want to show the movement. So I'm going to put an 8-stop filter on my camera here, and I'm going to try and get that image of the leaves moving. So I'll have a really slow shutter speed, and the leaves will be moving while the shutter's open, so it'll blur out the leaves, but you'll still be able to see through the leaves into the water and see how everything is still underneath it. It's kind of, this is really an artsy-fartsy image, but to tell you the truth, this is the first time I've really tried this with an 8-stop filter, and I'm kind of really excited about it and really scared that it's not going to come out. So let's hope for the best. Well, here I am taking that image here, and I'm kind of excited about it and a little nervous about it. So with the ND filter, I'm only getting a shutter speed of about 1 second, which seems to be fast enough. It seems to be giving me the image I want. The leaves are floating around on top of the image here. I'm pretty excited to find out that these ND filters are magnetic. I thought you had to screw them in, which really makes it easy. I really don't know what brand they are. I got them years ago, and they seem to be working pretty well. I'm hoping to tell me what you think about what filters you use, how you use them and stuff, because this is the first time I've really used them. And to tell you the truth, I didn't get what I expected out of them. I didn't expect to get like a shutter speed of 8 to 10 seconds. But if these images are any good, here they are. Well, I have to shave. I really enjoy taking these kinds of images here. They're really artsy-fartsy images, and they're more of a technical side of photography. They're not really like, photos that really are appealing to a lot of people. It's more of a, something that a photographer does just to push his technical side of the photography, and that's what I did today, is just push my technical side of my photography. So if you got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Sean Lee, and I thank you for watching.